Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it, and now let's scroll down in order to find passwords and security. Now we have to tap on privacy. And as you can see in advanced, we've got encryption and credentials, so let's enter. And here in the credential storage section at the very bottom of it, we've got clear credentials option, so let's tap on it. And your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the contents, so if you'd like to remove the certificates, licenses, actually the credentials. So if you are ready, tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a PIN, you will have to enter it to confirm. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.